everyone, welcome to 160th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Pratyusha of Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 6th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salation 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Don Bosco Media Network Television, Shillong, with the Science of the Times. The headlines this week. Dumper hit student battles for life. Catholic students go on pilgrimage. Geography department students clean up campus. Build with AI workshop held. Research Scholars Workshop attracts international participants. Alumni Batch meets up in Shillong. Startup 6 Varamala Preservations. Photo of the Week. The news in detail. Siliguri, dumper hit student battles for life. Loveline Bara of BCA 6th semester reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri BBA 6th semester student Rufina Topo was hit by a dumper on Friday 10th May as she was crossing the road on reaching her hometown at Leashed River Tea Estate near Bagrakot. She is admitted in Anandlok Hospital, Siliguri in a very critical condition. In a gesture of solidarity, both faculty members and students have donated blood and giving financial assistance to cover medical expenses. Principal Father Babu Joseph visited Rufina in the ICU on Saturday 11th May. Students are also praying for her speedy recovery. Located some 40 kilometers from Siliguri, Bagrakot village is 4 kilometers away from Odlabari town under Malbazar subdivision of Jalpaiguri district in West Bengal.
Loveline Bara reporting. Siliguri, Catholic students go on pilgrimage. Priti Baxla, Department of Mathematics, 6th semester reports.
The Christian students of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri organized a Rosary Pilgrimage on 8th May 2024. Rector Father Dr. Tommy Augustine along with student, sisters and brother accompanied the students for the pilgrimage. On the way, the students visited Jesu Ashram where the director, Jesuit Father Julius, gave a brief history of the place, followed by a tour of the place. Next, the group visited Auxilium Convent, New Chamta, where after an interaction with Superior of the convent, Sister Dorothy, the pilgrims had a rosary procession around the parish, which was followed by some light refreshments and election of the new core members for the group.
Priti Baxla reporting. Siliguri, Geography Department students clean up campus. Tirshana Chettri of Geography Department 4th semester reports.
The Department of Geography organized a campus cleaning drive as a part of SEEN, Salesian College for Earth, Nature and Environment on 8 May 2024. The students of the department gathered in the Kilin Argate at 8 am and the cleaning drive began with a short address and invocation prayer by Bursar Father Jadrivan Turkey. The program was organized under the guidance of Vice Principal Arts and Humanities Father Saju Patisari. The students, along with the faculty members, divided into 5 groups, dispersed to 5 locations, weeding and cleaning areas around Don Bosco Block, Xavier Block and the Kilin Argate. A parent and his ward who came for admission also joined the cleaning, which ended at 9:30 am. It was followed by a light refreshment provided to the students in the Nazareth Block.
Tirshana Chettri reporting. Siliguri, Build with AI workshop held. Komal Mittal of BCA 4th semester reports.
The Technical Association of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri in collaboration with Google Developers Group Siliguri organized a workshop entitled Build with AI. The students from other colleges too participated in the workshop held on 9th May 2024. The speakers, Mr. Kazi Haq, Mr. Avidu Basu, Mr. Abhishek Nandi and Mr. Ayush Arora shared insights on artificial intelligence. There were also 5 project showcases from students. The event ended with a vote of thanks by Arijit Roy, President of Technical Association.
Komal Mittal reporting. Siliguri Research Scholars Workshop attract international participants. Dr. Shilpita Gine reports.
The Internal Quality Assurance Cell and Salesian Research Center, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri, organized International Research Scholars Conference on 3rd and 4th May 2024 under the leadership of Chair, Salesian Research Center, Father Dr. Tommy Augustine. Research scholars from Jadavpur University, Sikkim University, Delhi University, SRM University Sikkim, Zhejiang University China and Salesian College Siliguri participated. The two-day event had 15 presentations on the theme Connectivity in the Eastern Himalayas, Religious Ties, Regional Integration and Power Rivalry. The resource persons for the conference, Professor Pius V. Thomas of Assam University Silchar, delivered the inaugural address, and Dr. Binayak Sundas, Assistant Professor, Center for Himalayan Studies, University of North Bengal, delivered the keynote address. At the inaugural session, Dr. Pius V. Thomas released the latest issue of the Salesian Journal of Humanities and Social Sciences, December 2023 issue. The papers presented would be sent for peer review and be published in Salesian Journal of Humanities and Social Sciences for May 2024 issue.
Shilpita Gine reporting. Sonada, Alumni Batch meets up in Shillong. Sentu Lawrence Biswas reports from Shillong.
A group of 12 Salesian College Sonada alumni, batch of 2016 to 2019, studying at Sacred Heart Theological College at Maulai in Shillong, met on Saturday, 11th May 2024. The day started with the Holy Eucharist presided over by alumnus Father Xavier Pikutu of 2016 batch, a Master of Theology student in the same college. The day culminated with a get-together in the evening, during which alumni shared personal life experiences as well as hurdles faced in their journey as religious. Some shared wisdom tips as to how they handled them personally. The evening was filled with laughter and nostalgia as they reminiscence about their college days in Sonada, Darjeeling.
Sentu Lawrence Biswas reporting. Startup 6. Siliguri, capturing memories of wedding garlands, makes profitable business. Pritha Roy of Mass Communication, 4th semester, finds out how.
A varmala or a jaymala is a South Asian garland that is most commonly associated with wedding rituals. Traditionally, a varmala is made of roses and other flowers, though modern variation exists. Meet Anushka Gupta of Commerce Department 6th semester, who had a startup stall with varmala preservations at North Bengal Sikkim Education Summit, an exhibition held in Salesian College Siliguri on 4th April 2024.
What I basically do is I preserve memories, varmala flowers and roses into pendants, frames, nameplates and many more. So you can visit my page on Instagram @resinbymuski.
Photo of the Week. Congratulations to the team Theme Dance for winning first prize at Rubaru Festival conducted by Young Indians on 11th May 2024 at Inspiria Knowledge Campus, Siliguri. Salesian College Siliguri Mass Communication students entry won the Most Creative Reel title in Rubaru. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by Don Bosco Media Network Television, Shillong, with the signs of the time. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.